Welcome to Simplicity in Education. Dear students, today we will learn about financial, arithmetics, algebras, and perform some of algebraic questions. But before starting, we have to know about algebra. It is study of mathematical symbols and rules of manipulating between these symbols. Today we will discuss about branch of algebra, linear algebra, and perform some of related theories to understand it properly. Don't forget to watch my video till end and subscribe it. And kindly give me a feedback about the video. 3x minus x is equals to 0. 7y is equals to 14. 9z is equals to 27. In all these questions or examples, x, y, z are variables that have to be found in series. To solve, a linear equation is meant to be find the value of variable or unknown quantity in the given equation. The value of variable that makes the equation true is called solution of the equation. To solve an equation, you must ensure that it is always balanced. Unbalanced equation cannot be solved out in algebra. This is a basic technique. Some students find it hard, but it is very easiest when you find it. Let's start performing some of the questions from algebra, linear equations in algebra. An algebraic sentence is a combination of an algebraic expression and relation signs equal mark, plus, minus, greater than, less than, equal to, greater than equal to, not equal to. An algebraic sentence that says two algebraic expressions are equal is called an equation. For example, y plus 8 is equal to 15, y is equal to 6 by 3, and for etc. To perform it, we have to be solved out by different steps. We have to perform different steps like y is equals to 6 by 3 can be performed by cutting. In the equation, 9y plus 17 minus 6y is equals to 23. In these types of equation, we have to be rearrange the values. Take variables on one side and constants on one side. And the rule of rearranging is that we have to be changed plus by minus and minus by plus, multiply by divide and divide by multiply when we are rearranging them from one side to another side. This is rule for algebra. That is the reason 7 is added to 3, not subtracted, and we get 10, and we have to be divide 3 to both sides to get the value of variable x that is unknown in the equation. Calculate it, students, and get the value. We get 10 by 3. 5x minus 7 minus 2x is equals to 3. We have to rearrange the values and solve it. 5 minus 2 we get 3, and we have to replace the sign of greater value, that's why plus 3x. And now we can plot a graph to perform and show the relation between variables x or y. Now I am performing a question for you on live screen. Let's start. That is the question 2x plus 3 equal mark is for the equation equals 16. That is the equation 16 minus 2 x. You can speed up the video or can perform with me on paper, on book, on laptop. Minus 3 and bracket close. You have to be perform bracket first and then the whole equation. That is a BODMAS rule. You have to be remind some basic rules performing in math. I am writing the right minus sign, subtraction sign. Okay, not confuse it. That's what I am doing. Next step, rearranging. We have to be rearranging or solving brackets. We have to be solve brackets first and then rearranging, in my opinion. and that is true. We are solving brackets first because of BODMAS rule. Remind one class, two class and three class, and then you find it the basic fact. 2x plus 3 is equals to 16 minus 2x plus 3. Minus sign is multiplying inside the brackets, and then we get minus minus into plus. Practice can make you speed up in performing any question. 2x plus 3, and there is a step then when we have to be rearranging constants on one side and variables on other side. 19 we get when we add 16 and 3 and minus 2x, that is the variable. Now in this step rearranging is done. I am correcting my spelling. Make sure you are writing right spelling, not wrong. Hope so you are understanding. Writing with me. 4x equal why 4x? Because we rearranged, and when we rearrange signs are also changed. Minus to plus and plus to minus. That's why 2 is added to 2 in variable, and in constants 3 is added to 3 is subtracted to 19. That's why we get 16. Now I am dividing 4 to both sides to get the unknown variable x, and we get it x equal to 4. And students, in these types of question only one equal mark is allowed. Hope you understand about all video and algebra linear equations, that how to perform linear equations. Don't forget to click on subscribe button and give me a feedback about video and guide me to explain more topics. Thanks for watching.